Hi children, we are going to the next topic, that is Unit 3 subtractions. Yes, in previous class we are learned additions, no subtraction. From first class, from UKG you are learning the subtraction. What is the symbol of sign, that subtraction symbol? Yes, this is a symbol of subtraction. This is a symbol of subtraction. Now here also we are taking columns, ones and tens columns. From which side onwards you have to do counting? From here also. Here also you should count from the ones column. That means your right hand side. Now count. What is the symbol? Minus. 6 on the mind, again 4 in your fingers. In addition you used to count after. Now in subtraction you have to count before. 6 in the mind, again 4 in your fingers. 6 before number. What number before will come? 6 before. 5, 4, 3, 2. What is answer? 2. Here any number is there here? No. In tens column same number will be there. In previous, what is this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down number what is this? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next what is this? How many are remaining? 2. Like this you used to count. Now here no need to take the lines. Instead of that, by using the brain you can count this. Now next number what is this? 5. In tens column what number it is there here? 5. 5 in the mind, 3 in your fingers. You have to count minus, no, before you have to count. 5 before, 4, 3, 2. Here in tens column any number it is there, same number will be coming. Next here, from ones column onwards you should count. What is there from ones column? 4 minus 2. 4 in the mind, 2 in your fingers. 4 before, 3, 2. Here any number it is not there, no, same number will be coming. Here from ones column how many numbers are there? 5 minus 2. 5 in the mind, 2 in your fingers. 5 before, 4, 3. Now see here children, in tens column 2 numbers are there. 4 minus 1. 4 in the mind and 1 in your finger. 4 before number 3. What answer you got? 33. Yes, here in tens column what number is there? 7 in the mind, 6 in your fingers. 7 before, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, 1. Again in tens column, 3 minus 1. 3 in the mind and 1 in your finger. 3 before number 2. What answer you got it? Yes, 20. In ones column what numbers are there? 9 minus 7. 9 in the mind, again 7 in your fingers. 9 before, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What answer you got? 2. And again in tens column 5 minus 2. 5 in the mind, 2 in your fingers. 5 before number 3, 2. Total answer what is this? 22. I think you understood this. You have to count before, not after. In addition you have to count addition after. But in minus symbol subtraction you have to count before numbers. Now what is this? This is also one type of subtraction. Here I am not taking like this. I am taking like a 9 minus 5. What is this? 9 minus 5 you have to arrange like this. Ones and tens. Only single digits are there, no? 9 minus 5. In ones column only will come. Only one digit is there, means that is only ones column. 9 in the mind, again 5 in your fingers. 9 before, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Yes? What answer you got here? 4. Yes? 7 in the mind, again 2 in your fingers. 7 before, 6, 5. Here what is there? 15 minus 15. Means what will come? See here, 2 numbers are there. Means you have to take 2 columns, ones and tens. 1 will be in tens column and 0 will be in ones column, 5 will be there. Again 15 is there, minus 1 will be in tens column and in ones column 5 will be there. Yes, 5 minus 5, 0. And 1 minus 1 also 0. What is this answer? 0. Yes, 8 in the mind and 4. 8 minus 4, 8 in the mind, again 4 in your fingers. 8 before, 7, 6, 5, 4. Here you see children, 15 minus 15, what you got? 0. Again here same numbers are there, but minus symbol it is there. Means 18 minus 18, 0. Yes? I hope you understood this. Next another topic children, that is subtraction with regrouping. Means you have to expand the number. Here in subtraction we don't have enough ones. Yes, when we subtract you may not have enough ones. Then you have to regroup. 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. Yes, see here one example. 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. Yes, here in subtraction we don't have enough ones to do. Example 35 it is there. We have to expand the number ones and tens. In tens column 3 is in tens, no, 3 into 30, 30 plus 5 is in ones, no, 5. You expand this 3 tens plus 5 ones is equal to 2 tens, because here we don't have enough tens, no, that's why 2 tens plus 15 ones. Now look at here children, again I will explain. 35 it is there, you have to expand ones and tens. 3 tens, 3 into 10, 30 plus 5 is in ones place, no, that's why 5. 3 tens I am expanding the number plus 5 ones. Here see how you got this 2, because 3 we are doing minus, one number is decreasing. No, 3 tens plus 5 ones means here one number it is decreasing, that's why 2 tens plus 5 15 ones. Next number 2 tens plus 8 ones it is there. What will come here? One number will be decreased. Now what will come? 2 before number 1 tens plus 18 ones. Yes. Again one more example you tell, I will be writing here. Again one more example, 4 tens plus 4 ones. Yes, now you tell here one number will be decreasing. Now what will come 4 before number? 3 tens plus 14 ones. This is subtraction with regrouping. Here one number will be decreasing, that will become before number. Now here borrowing means from whenever less number it will be there. In ones column whenever up number will be less number, you have to take borrow. Yes, now what, from 0 onwards you can remove 8. No, take borrow from the 4. What will become? 10. Yes, now 10 on the mind and 8 in your fingers. 10 before number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What you got? 2. One number you given to in ones column, what number will be there? 4 before number, what will come? 3. Yes, 4 before number 3. Here in tens column, any number it is there? No, only single digit is there. What is this number? Same number it will be coming. Next here also same it is. Whenever in ones column up number will be less number, you have to take borrow. What is this number? From 4 onwards you can remove 6. No, take that. Borrow means what it became? 14. 14 in the mind, again 6 in your fingers. 14 before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Yes. One number is given to the tens column. What number will be there? One number will be decreasing. What is that? 7 before number, what will come? 6. 6 in the mind, again 5 in your fingers. 6 before 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, what is answer? You got it? 18. Again you tell this one. In ones column 3 minus 6 it is there. From 3 onwards you can remove 6. No, take borrow from the tens column. What it became? 13. Yes, 13 in the mind, again 6 in your fingers. 13 before 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Yes, you got 7. Again here one tens column was you took borrow to the ones column. What number it became? 6 before number 5. Yes, 5 in the mind, again 3 in your fingers. 5 before 4, 3, 2. Yes, you got what answer? You got it 27. In your textbook, some problems are there. Exercise 3.1. Do as a homework. Thank you.